It's pretty much the home screen of the application. And let me tell you, this have pretty much all the AI tools you're gonna ever need. Talking about Sora to AI, everything. Updated version of official AI tools. So you can pretty much search for what you want, scroll, and you will pretty much see all the AI tools that you can use as it relates to AI, audio generation, video generation, image generation, pretty much everything on this application. So let's say, for example, you want to use Banana or any one of those famous tools. All of you do just tap on whichever one you want to use. And as I can see here, this is the section which will be able to use these tools. And as you can see, they do give you preset questions which you can ask the AI and so forth. Nothing much. But here you can pretty much add plus on top on the plus icon here, and you can pretty much do anything, add videos, files, take a picture, anything that you want to upload. Let's say you want a video to edit, anything. Or let's say you wanted to generate a video, you just give it your prompt and you're pretty much good to go. So here in the settings option here as well, it does give you option to select whichever aspect ratio you want the image or the video to be in. So you can always select whichever one here. And let's say, for example, you want only images, you can enable that option as well. Down here you have the mic icon, which you can pretty much, if you do not want to type, you can always send a voice note to the AI. It will pretty much do it as you requested. Here you also have the other option which can invite people to start using the AI bot through the application as well. And you can as well add the AI bot here as, let's say you're following them as is. You can also give them a follow. Here in the history section, this is pretty much where we go to pretty much see everything that you have pretty much used in the AI, this AI application here, AI chat specifically for this one here, Nana Banana. So anyone you're going to use basically. So at the top here, may see plus icon. This is pretty much your invite option, which you can share with your friends and families so they can start using the application as well. So nothing much for that. At the top here, may see a chat icon. This is pretty much where you go and see all the history of basically you speaking with any one of the AI application will be over that section there as well. So as you can see, there are a lot of AI chatbot which you can speak with, and I mean everything, guys. So let's say, for example, you're not seeing what you want, you can always tap on the three dots over here and tap on the explore option, and you can pretty much search for what you want. I don't know what you cannot find on this application. You'll pretty much be finding everything. So as you can see, here are a lot of things as it relates to AI, our own AI translator. You pretty much have this here. You have everything, guys. The professional option here, everything. And you can also go ahead and let's say, for example, you know someone on the application that does have a bot as well. You can search the bot name or anything at all, guys. Anything at all. So that's pretty much it for that there. And as well, you have the creator option, which you yourself can create a bot on the application and earn money as well. So you can, each person that interacts or subscribe to the application and the user bot will earn money. So it pretty much explains briefly of how you're gonna earn your money and process as it relates to you earning your money. So that's pretty much it for that there. So over here as well, you have the profile section, which you can pretty much set up yourself. And also you have the followed app section, which you can go ahead and follow the AI chatbots, which you like. You can go ahead and follow them as well and pretty much edit your profile as well. So that's pretty much it for that. There in the settings option, this is where you're going to get your subscription. Here you do have points as it relates to your subscription and how much points you can use and it do resets at a specific time. So as you can see here, it does tell you when it's gonna reset. So at the top here, some countries you may not be able to purchase subscription as relates to this application, so do keep that in mind. You can tap on see subscription option and pretty much go on to their website, and it will tell you which country you'll be able to purchase subscription from. You can either purchase on a website or you can purchase on the application, the Android application, or the iOS. Some countries you won't be able to purchase on, let's say, Apple devices, but you may be able to purchase it on Android devices in your same country. So do keep that in mind as well. You can add your email that you would like to use, and as well your phone number, so your account is secure. So as you can see, your dark theme, nothing much for that option here, but it's a very, very good AI application, and let me tell you, it has pretty much all the AI chatbots that you would like to use. All the popular ones are too everything, guys. It has everything. So if I miss anything at all, just please comment below and I will see if I can help you out. And at the top here, may see create. You can tap on this option here to get, let's say, a minimized version. Let's say you want to create image generation as well. You can see here pretty much explains itself. So whichever you want to do, if you want to create a prompt or one of the cases. So as I said before, it has everything, guys. And if you still do not understand how to use it, then you may need to comment below and see if I can help you. But that's pretty much it. See you.